Okay, guys, so now that we have switched each other's paper and we have our partner's paper instead of our own, we're going to go ahead and grade each other's papers to see how well we do. Okay? So for the first one, the shorthand is pointing to the 2. So when the shorthand is pointing to the 2, and the long hand is on the 12, like normally, what time should it be? Demi, what time should it be?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. And the way you write 2 o'clock is with a 2 and 2 zeros. That says 2 o'clock. Okay? For the second clock, the one in the middle on the first row, for that clock, the first hand is, well, if your partner has that 2 o'clock written there, make sure you go ahead and write a check. And let's move on. For the second one, the shorthand is on the 5. And when the shorthand is on the 5, what time is it, Jared, when the long hand is on the 12?
It's 12 o'clock.
When the shorthand is on the 5, and the long hand is on the 12, it is 5 o'clock. How do you know it's 5 o'clock?
Because the 12 stands for the 2 zeros.
The 12 is the 2 zeros, and the 5 is, what's pointing to the 5?
The little hand is pointing to
Yes, very, very good, very good. Okay, so for the next one, Bria, the little hand is pointing to what number? What number is this, Bria? What?
8.
Yes. So when the little hand is pointing to the 8 and the big hand is on the 12, like this, what time is it? When the little hand is
9 o'clock.
but it's on the 8.
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. So it would look like this. 8, 0, 0. The short hand is on the 8 and the long hand is straight up. That means it's 8 o'clock. Okay, so if your partner had all of those right, you write 3 checks on top of the clock. If they didn't have any of them right, you just leave them blank. Okay? All right, we're going to go through the rest. The next one down, the first one in the second row, the short hand is pointing to the 11, so that means it's what time, Joshua?
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. All right, very, very good. For the next one over, Bria, I want you to do the next one over. The short hand is pointing at the 6. What time is it?
6 o'clock.
Very good, Bria. Very good. Jared, I want you to do the next one over. The short hand is pointing to the 9. What time is it? What time is it? The short hand is pointing to the 9.
It's 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Very, very good. Demi, I want you to do the next one. The first one in the last row. What time does that say?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Very good, Demi. Very good. Emmanuel, look at your clock here. The second to last one. Okay? No talking. No talking. I'm talking right now. Okay? The short hand is pointing to the 4. And the long hand is straight up. Do you know what time it is?
4 o'clock.
I'm so sorry, Emmanuel, that you didn't get a chance to answer. But I want you to do the next one. Okay? I want you to do the next one. The short hand is, where's that short hand pointing to, Emmanuel?
6.
It's pointing not at the 6.
12.
So what time is that, Emmanuel?
12 o'clock.
Very, very good. Very, very good. So raise your hand if you have a paper that had, so count your checks that you have on your paper. Count your checks. Everybody count your checks. All right. All right, so if you had 7, 8, or 9 checks on your paper, raise your hand.
I got 5.
Very good. Jared, raise your hand. You're not paying attention. You have 9 checks. Awesome job. Very, very good, guys. So what I want to do is, just to close the lesson, I want us to do the video one more time so we can tell the time with our arms really, really good. I need your voices all. All. should all know what the hours look like now.
Oh. Oh. This is so nice. Oh, nice.
Children's songs to take your brain and
Where are we going? Oh, it's good.
All right, everybody stand up. Let's read clocks.
let's rock until the time on the clock. Let's move round and round we'll go. Move your arms to the time, then you stop. Let's
Remember, your hand is always going to stay straight up. We're doing hours.
1 o'clock,
1 o'clock.
2 o'clock,
2 o'clock.
Straight out for 3. Straight out.
3 o'clock.
4 o'clock,
4 o'clock.
5 o'clock,
Okay. 6
6
o'clock. Straight line.
6
Right.
o'clock.
let's rock until
Y'all got all the way to 6 o'clock.
let's roll round and round we'll go. 7 o'clock,
7 o'clock.
8 o'clock,
Straight out. This line should
9 o'clock,
straight out.
9 o'clock.
10 o'clock,
10 o'clock.
11 o'clock,
11 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Let's rock until the time on the clock. Let's roll round and round we'll go. Rock until the time on the clock. Let's rock and roll the time on the clock.
All right. Very good, class.
Let's
Very
be
good.
friends.
And that is the conclusion of our lesson.